This is not just a motorhome. It's a bold vision of the future, where cutting-edge design meets ultimate comfort, and where the journey becomes just as important as the destination. Finished in a deep, glossy dark green, this futuristic motorhome stands as a symbol of power, elegance, and innovation, redefining what it truly means to travel in style. From the very first glance, its presence is undeniable. The sleek aerodynamic curves, the massive multi-axle structure, and the seamless integration of chrome accents create a design that feels both futuristic and timeless. Under the lights of a luxury showroom, its reflective body panels come alive, capturing every detail of its surroundings like a moving mirror. The panoramic windows stretch across its length, hinting at the expansive and luxurious interior within, while the elevated upper deck suggests a second level of comfort rarely seen on the road. As the entrance door opens, the transformation begins. Warm ambient lighting spills outward, inviting you into a space that feels more like a high-end residence than a vehicle. Inside, the entrance lobby greets you with polished marble flooring and a sweeping staircase that leads to the upper level. The atmosphere is calm, refined, and intentionally designed to blur the line between mobility and architecture. The living lounge is where the experience unfolds. Soft white leather sofas, a modern glass table, and carefully placed lighting create a space that feels both open and intimate. Natural light pours through the panoramic windows, constantly changing the mood of the interior as the environment outside evolves. Whether parked in the heart of nature or overlooking a distant horizon, the outside world becomes part of the living space. Moving deeper inside, the dining area reflects the same commitment to elegance and detail. A marble dining table sits at the center, surrounded by luxury seating and subtle ceiling lighting that creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Nearby, the kitchen combines functionality with high-end design. Chrome appliances, sleek cabinetry, and refined finishes ensure that even the simplest moments, like preparing a meal, feel elevated. Upstairs, the motorhome reveals a new perspective. The upper deck lounge, surrounded by glass, offers panoramic views that stretch far beyond the road. It's a space designed for relaxation, reflection, and connection with the journey itself. Here, the world feels closer, more immersive, and endlessly open. At the rear, the master bedroom becomes a private sanctuary. A king-size bed sits at the center of a calm and beautifully lit space, framed by soft ambient lighting and clean architectural lines. Large windows invite the outside in, allowing you to wake up to changing landscapes, from mountain peaks to quiet lakes, from forests to open skies. The spa-style bathroom completes the experience, offering a level of comfort rarely found in mobile living. Marble walls, a glass shower, and polished chrome fixtures create an environment designed for relaxation and renewal. Every detail has been carefully considered, ensuring that luxury is never compromised, no matter where the road leads. But beyond the materials, the design, and the innovation, what truly defines this motorhome is freedom. The freedom to move without limits, to explore without leaving comfort behind, and to redefine what home really means. One day, it's navigating winding mountain roads under a bright sky. The next, it's gliding through forests, cruising beside lakes, or following the coastline as waves crash below. As the sun begins to set and the horizon glows with golden light, this dark green motorhome becomes more than just a vehicle. It becomes a symbol of a new lifestyle, one where luxury is no longer tied to a location, but travels with you wherever you go. Because in the end, the greatest luxury isn't just what you have, it's the freedom to experience the world without ever leaving home.